Hello again. I just wanted to do a video real quick. I was on eBay. My thumbstick here is starting to go on this one. It's starting to drift left and right. And I know there's easier fixes, but I think I'm just going to replace it for now. And maybe try and repair this one later. It's just, it's starting to drift a lot. I'll be in the middle of a game and all of a sudden I'll start walking backwards. I'll be like, what the hell? But yeah, so I went on eBay and I found a couple and I ordered actually a batch. They're fairly cheap. I ordered a batch of I think it was like 6 and it was like $12.99 of these. So no sense trying to fix this one if I just have a bunch coming. But I also came across one other one that I want to try. It was very interesting and it looks exactly the same on the inside as these thumbsticks here. And that is this one right here. It's a white Joy-Con thumbstick. It has a click in, everything, up, down, left, right, full motion. But I figured I'd try and put this into this controller just for fun. We'll see. This little guy was a little more pricey. This one was, I believe it was $6.99, maybe $9.99. I paid for this, and the only reason why I wanted to try it was, you know, it'd kind of look cool to have a white thumbstick on the Joy-Con. Probably not this one, maybe my red one. Yeah, maybe if I put it on my red one, it might look good. Let's see how that looks together. Yeah, it looks kind of cool. But anyways, so I figured I'd try and do this. This is actually a Pokeball replacement Joy-Con, or not Joy-Con, thumbstick for the Pokeball. The Pokego plus ball, whatever it is. Yeah, so I was looking at the diagram of it, and it looks exactly the same like the Joy-Con remote, so I don't see why it wouldn't work. The only thing is I didn't expect it to be that small. It's a little smaller. And since I am doing a Pokemon Switch theme kind of thing going on, I thought it would look nice on the red Joy-Con, you know, like that. Or maybe put the red shell on this one, because I'm kind of over this D-pad. I might get rid of this D-pad and just put the red shell on this and put the white one on here. But anyways, so I just wanted to do a video on me replacing it and testing it and seeing if it works. Alright, so just give me a couple minutes. I'm going to set up and yeah, should be ready to go. Alright, so slight change in plans. I'm actually going to do it to my Hawai'i Joy-Con instead. I kind of don't want to take apart the original Joy-Con because there's so many parts in it, and this one doesn't have any wireless or anything in it, and it's pretty much a board and a case. So I think I'm going to use this instead as the test dummy for this. Alright, and we're back. Okay, so I got me another screwdriver, and we'll just start taking all of these out. Oh, much better fit. So I've taken my Hawai'i apart before, and that's how I know it's like a much more simpler design on the inside. So yeah, I figure I'll just try it out on this. I really don't feel like taking apart the regular Joy-Con and taking out that joystick right now. It's actually kind of a long process. It does take a while. So let's do this Hawai'i one instead. It uses the same joystick in these as the Nintendo ones. So it's pretty damn close, actually. I don't know if it is the exact Nintendo ones, but it's pretty darn close. So, alright, so there we go. Once the 4 screws undone, now I just gotta wedge underneath here and just kind of pop this up. Just like a regular Joy-Con, kind of pop that up. And it should just pop right off. Oh, this one's still a little in there. Let's get that. Okay, perfect. Alright, and then this comes up. You do have to be careful. There is a small ribbon cable right there. That's just the connector. So let's go this way. And then we're just going to unlatch this real quick. How it unlatches? How does this thing unlatch? Yeah, it just lifts up. Oh. Does it just lift up? Ugh, I gotta get a pry tool. There we go. Alright, so then there's just this little ribbon cable here. Hopefully I don't break this. It's really tight. Okay, you know what? We're gonna work around that. I can't get that off. Yeah, I don't know why I can't get that off. It won't open. I can see the latch, but it won't unlatch. And I don't want to break it. Alright, so we're just gonna work around that. It's no big deal. Okay, so next thing you want to do is take off this little guard here. Well, that's just a standard screwdriver as well. So let's take this off. Alright, it comes out. Alright, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 more screws. And then I gotta keep these screws separate because these ones in here are slightly smaller. Than the outside screws, and you don't want to get them mixed up, so I'm gonna put those on the side. Two, this one here. Sorry for blocking the camera. I'm kind of at a weird angle right now. Okay, and then there's one more screw right there. So let's take that out. All right. So then we're going to gently lift this up. Gently lift this up. And should I unlatch this? Yeah, I should unlatch this first. There's another ribbon right here. Ugh, this board. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video for a second. I gotta look at how to unlatch that because there's no way I'm gonna be able to take it. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so it's this little back latch here that just pops up. I thought it was this little white latch, but it's not. It's not the case. There's a little black latch that comes off just like the regular Joy-Con. Should have known. But yeah, so there you go. Let me take that out. Slowly. And there you go. So that's the... That is the... Right there. The joystick. And I just want to show real quick on this board. This is what makes the Hawai'i D-pad really good. Is it still uses the rubber membrane. Not like the regular Joy-Con that uses the dome switches. So that's a lot better. Alright, so I'm just going to unscrew this here. Okay, put that screw on the side. That one's even smaller than the other ones. And then unscrew this one here. Okay. And let's put this on the side. Oh, that's why we don't lose our screws. Okay. So this is the minus button. There's that. And you gotta be careful too because there's a little spring for the D-pads. And yeah. I almost lost it, but I do have it. It's over here. I'll have to put that back in. All right, so anyways, let's get back to it. Yeah, it looks about the same. Size, markings are in the same here. Yeah, they look about the same. This ribbon cable might be a little longer though. I'm not sure on the Hawai'i pad. Yeah, that might be a little longer, but we'll see. So what I'm gonna do is just put this in, just like that. Let's get those tiny little screws back in. Oh, I hate putting little screws in. Where's my tweezers? All right, there we go. Dang it. And there's one screw in, and use my tweezers. One more time. Okay. Don't move, screw. All right. That's in there. Perfect. Okay. So next, this is going to be the difficult part, is we got to try and get this board back in there. Is that the right way, or is that the wrong way? I think that's the wrong way. Okay. There we go. That's the right way. Oh, maybe not. No, maybe that is the right way. Yeah, that feels better. All right, so next we're gonna try and get this board in. This part is kind of difficult because of this ribbon cable. So I'm just gonna bend this ribbon cable up just a little bit. And then what you wanna do is you kind of wanna scoot the board in and let that ribbon cable fall right on top. Just like that. See, it's sticking out over there. And then you gotta line up all the buttons. There we go. Perfect. Okay, that's perfect. Now, before I scoot this ribbon cable in, I think I'm gonna put the screws in. So let's put the screws back in. 4 screws all together. Oh, you know what? I should put this back in first. Yeah, there we go. I don't know, maybe that can go in after. I think it'll be fine. All right. Where'd that little screw go? Okay, let's put this in. Okay. Screw number 1. Okay. Screw number 2. Oh, come on. This is probably the most difficult part about trying to film and take stuff apart is getting screws back in. Such something so small. All right. All right. Last screw. Then I'm going to put that ribbon cable in, latch it down. Okay, so now I'm going to take this ribbon cable. I'm just going to slide it in as gently as possible. Make sure that's open. Okay. Okay, I think that's in all the way. Yeah, it looks like it's in all the way. Yep. Okay, that one's in. Now next is going to be that other board. Or this other ribbon cable, I mean. This one was kind of a pain to take out, but we can get it back in. And this one is kind of important because this is the part that connects to the switch, so. All right, I'm ready. All right, make sure that's nice and snug in there. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Yep, I don't think it can go any more than that. Okay, put the latch down. Okay. So next is put the buttons back in. One button here. Just like that. It slots in. Perfect. Then we'll put this guy back on. Okay. Ooh. Does this go back on? Actually, I don't think these use springs. Yeah, this one doesn't use a spring. I see how it works. Smart. Nintendo should do the same thing. Alright, let's put this guy back on. Okay. Gotta make sure everything lines up straight when reattaching. Yep. Okay, and this thing actually just pops on right there. Yep. Just like that. Cool. Alright, and this thing goes in here like this, and you snap it together. Alright, no wonder the D-pad feels a little weird, or the ZL feels a little weird when you push it. This camera's not focusing. Okay. Sorry for all the autofocus shots. I'm kind of doing this on a small little mat. My little silicone mat that I use for electronics, but I'm kind of on the floor looking down because my table has a bunch of stuff on it right now. It's my daughter's birthday tomorrow, so I have all the gifts and wrapping and everything all over the table right now. She's gonna be 3 years old, so I bought her a bunch of stuff that she likes. All right, so there. Now for the big reveal, if you guys didn't see it already. Ta-da! That looks kind of weird, but oh well. This is just a proof of concept video, so let's plug it in and see if it's working. All right, I have my Nintendo Switch here. I got my Hawai'i modified joystick, or Joy-Con with modified joystick, and let's see if it works. Hey, look at that. It works. Looks kind of dumb, but I mean, I don't know. It looks I think it would look good on the red Joy-Con. Maybe I should just do it. Put that on the red Joy-Con. Let's make sure the buttons are working. So go to that. Controllers and sensors. There. Test input. Test buttons. And yep, it works. Okay, now let's test the D-pad. Control stick. Okay. This one. All right. Yeah, it works great. Okay, well, there you have it. So, took the Pokeball control stick and put it in a Hawai'i controller. That's going to be it for this video. I'm sorry if it wasn't that good. I'm in an awkward position right now. So, anyways, I hope you guys like it. You can find these on eBay. They're actually they're more expensive than the regular pads or the regular sticks, but I mean, if you want a white one, I mean, just pay a couple extra dollars and you can get a white one. Anyways, that's going to be it for today. Have a nice day.